Details this morning on the Vineyard Wind project off the coast of Nantucket.
From a federal hearing today to what may have led to the wind turbine blade breaking free. NBC 10's Alicia Palumbo live in Boston with more. Alicia, a lot of talk about here.
Yeah, that's right, Raul. A lot of different moving parts here. There is a federal appeals court hearing today in Boston on the Vineyard Wind project, but the timing of it is actually just coincidental. The hearing in the First Circuit Court of Appeals was actually scheduled well before a blade broke off one of the wind turbines off the shores of Nantucket and Martha's Vineyard on July 13th. Responsible Offshore Development Alliance has been fighting back against the $4 billion Vineyard Wind project since 2022, arguing that regulators failed to conduct any safety, engineering, or structural integrity reviews of the turbines and its negative impact on the fishing industry in that area. But the recent turbine accident will certainly be top of mind in that hearing, as it was in the Nantucket Select Board meeting last night. Representatives of the blade manufacturer explained it was not a fundamental design flaw and not an installation issue, but a manufacturing deviation and inspection issue. The Select Board chair said town representatives will be meeting with the company next week to establish a process for reimbursing the community for costs and damages sustained as a result of the accident and recovery efforts, as well as renegotiating the terms of its Good Neighbor agreement with Vineyard Wind.
We are deeply concerned about the safety, environmental, and economic impacts of this catastrophe on our local residents and visitors to the island. The Select Board is committed to holding Vineyard Wind and GE, the manufacturer of the turbine blades, accountable. We demand 100% transparency from both Vineyard Wind and GE about exactly what occurred during the blade failure and exactly what chemicals and materials are in the debris that has washed up on our beaches and remains in the water column around Nantucket.
Now, a representative of GE actually spoke at that Select Board meeting last night. He said they were in the process of re-inspecting all of the turbines in that project, including the damaged one. He said they'll actually be back out there at 7 o'clock this morning, slowly rotating the damaged turbine so they can make sure no other pieces fall off, and as they work on the plan to safely remove it. For now, we're live in Boston. Alicia Palumbo, NBC 10 Boston.